Hey guys, well, I thought I'd do another tool review video right here. So you see right here in front of me, you would probably think that if this was the drill that I bought for my dad for Father's Day last year. Actually, this, if I open it, this is actually a combo kit right here, and I had already unboxed it, so definitely no unboxing right here. So what you see right here is a Ryobi combo kit. I have another drill. This is the exact same drill that I got for my dad. It's a model P271, so it's the exact same drill. And also, this is an impact driver. And so, yeah. And so, I got this for about $99 at Home Depot, and that's how much that I had paid for this combo kit, which I couldn't pass it up. When I bought my dad's drill last year, I paid $120 for it, and so this has probably been one of my best Home Depot purchases so far. So yeah, and this little case here, it's much wider from right here than on the one on my dad's drill. And usually from in here, I know you can't quite see from in there, it's real dark. From right here is where you put your drill. Right here, the impact driver. And in this area right there, your battery charger. So now I got two battery chargers. And no extra batteries. There's basically one battery for, well, each machines have their own batteries. And they both have their little bits here. And also this one came with a 3-inch or a 3/8 bit to put your sockets on it. So, yep. And I'll show you on how easy it is to actually put a bit on this impact driver. So to do that, you just push up on this, and then just stick your bit in, and then just let go, and it's locked in. And then you just stick your whatever socket that you need, and then and you're ready to use your impact. Has a decent amount of torque though, because I could definitely feel it once I squeeze on the trigger. But it's sort of kicking back like that. You can definitely feel that torque. So this would make like removing lawnmower blades and removing stubborn bolts in such a breeze. Make that be a whole lot easier. And I do need to get me some impact sockets though, since you're not supposed to use chrome sockets, which the chrome on them could flake right off and then go into your eyes, which you don't really want that. So that's basically all I gotta get for this machine, and then I would be all set on using it. It's also got a Phillips screwdriver bit. And also to remove your bits, just push this push this forward and then just pull your bit right out. And then like to use another bit, just do the same thing. So cool. And of course the drill is practically just no different than, like I said, no different than on my dad's. So it sounds just practically just like his drill. Of course you got your bit here, which one end is a Phillips screwdriver and the other end a flat. And so, yep. And the model number on this impact driver is a P234G. And it runs at 3200 RPMs, as it says right there. And so, yeah, I don't know for sure of how much torque that this thing puts out, but I hear that it does put out a decent amount of torque, considering that it has a 18-volt battery. And so, yep. So again, this is my little tool review on my latest purchase from Home Depot. I actually bought this last Thursday though, and I had just forgot to make a video on it. So yeah. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and so thanks for watching.